Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make better purchasing decisions. Today we have an exciting showdown between two top-notch dash cams, the OMBAR dash cam and the ROVE R2 to 4K Pro dash cam.
Get ready for some serious comparison action.
The OMBAR dash cam boasts an impressive 4K resolution, capturing every detail and making those license plates pop. Plus, with its wide-angle lens, you won't miss a thing. But wait, the ROVE R2 to 4K Pro dash cam is no slouch either.
It also records in 4K, but what sets it apart is its ability to record at 60 frames per second, resulting in smoother and more detailed footage. It's like watching a Hollywood blockbuster. The OMBAR dash cam comes equipped with built-in 5G Wi-Fi, allowing you to connect your phone and seamlessly transfer videos. You can even control the dash cam using the Cam app. But hold on, the ROVE R2 to 4K Pro dash cam takes it up a notch with its advanced dual-band 5G and 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi.
Not only can you view, download, and share videos with ease, but you can also update the firmware over the air.
Talk about convenience. The OMBAR dash cam comes prepared with a reliable GPS system, recording your driving route and speed. It also has a G sensor that automatically detects collisions and locks the file to prevent overwriting.
Safety first.
Meanwhile, the ROVE R2 to 4K Pro dash cam brings some serious tech to the table. With its supercapacitor, it extends the product's life significantly. It also offers voice guidance, time-lapse video, and a 24/7 custom-designed parking mode. You'll feel like you're driving a spaceship. Overall, the OMBAR dash cam is highly recommended for its reliability and affordability, while the ROVE R2 to 4K Pro dash cam impresses with its quality, features, and performance.
And that's a wrap, folks.
We've compared the OMBAR dash cam and the ROVE R2 to 4K Pro dash cam in 3 categories, and both cameras have shown us what they're made of.
It's a tough decision, but it all comes down to your personal preferences and needs.
Remember, always do your research, read reviews, and watch videos like this one to help you make the best purchasing decision.
Thanks for tuning in to Buy Smart. See you next time.